This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Wiper blade renewal. To remove a windscreen wiper blade, lift the wiper from the screen and press the retaining tab with a ballpoint pen or similar. Then slide the blade from the end of the wiper arm. Fit the new blade, pushing it onto the arm until the retaining tab engages. To remove the rear wiper blade, pull the blade cover off the spindle end of the wiper arm, then disengage the retaining tab and remove the cover. Using a small screwdriver or similar, press the retaining tab and withdraw the blade from the arm. Fit the new blade, ensuring that the retaining tab engages, then refit the blade cover.